rescue you. They come carry coke give my sister, make it take wash face. My sister said constantly set the camera before she go take coke, take wash in face. So my people, we won't talk about that acid now. I beg my people. Now somebody pour Korra acid for face.
My people, Wahala be like Korra said they pour her acid for face. Hey, now wow. I'll put this video when I just watch finish. So, okay, now boss lady now do that video. She come out, come talk about this Korra attack where be say happen for UK. Now not say they attack Korra for UK. It's just that Korra with her sister, then they like to they put mangi, onions and everything for inside, make people for like see and say, oh, the thing it too know all those things. Una know the way where they take they we don't they. Mona sorry for my my people for my nose. No, I know say sometimes the weather get as a bit. You see, because of say they know they talk the thing the way it be, so people don't they like they understand say why not they lie, why not they put lie, why not they put sugar, why not they put maggi joiner. Okay, according to Korra, he said the person bring knife come to attack him, so he can't hold the knife. According to her, for where then they where the knife they cut something nice she hold. Okay, if you they drag down with somebody, she be the knife go cut your hand, so blood go they flow for your hand, nothing like that. Okay, she said dem pour the acid na they use. If they put small acid for your body self, you go see say hey, everybody don't know say wetin be acid. Na true say they attack you, but no come like do one like the way people come they say oh this one that one. No, talk am the way it be. Wetin be acid? They put acid for your body, that your face no go remain the same again. People where they really put when they put acid for their body, we know the way their face can be. It no remain the same. Lie. Una understand, my people? I go still put this video more than watch wetin boss lady talk, because all these things wey be say dem dey do like to dey make dem say that they feel oh na so this thing be. Na true say person attack you, but talk am say see the way it take happen. Not put am say if you pour something for your body, maybe na pepper, you understand, maybe na pepper Sprite, maybe na all those things, not be acid. If na acid, all your eye for not if for not open. And even when they say the thing, the pepper, even like put a camera, is to still see I say put camera when they say give you coke, when you call the pour am for your face. Ah, my people. Anyway, please send me to love and like this video, share this video for me. God bless you as you do. Leave your comment below, okay? More help me to share my video. Maybe they talk something the way it be, not be the way we come they put maggi, put sugar, put everything, make the thing come they like. You know, no say but they know they like all these things. You go talk and wait till happen. As it happen, they go see say okay, you say knife, why the knife not cut your hand? Why we not see blood for your hand? They follow and they drag am. All right, my people, thank you, God bless you. Share this video. Bye bye for now. May I put this video more than watch boss lady.
Today we want to talk about wetin happened to Korra for UK, because Korra go UK go visit, and in sister self go visit sister Monica for the same UK. So after some days, now we come see say video go viral say somebody pour Korra Obidi acid for body. Now I can't go in page say make I go check. As I reach Korra Obidi page, now I see say for inside the video, Korra dey live video. As e dey live video, it be like say somebody press ring. She won't go open the door. After then, now we see black. We just say, Jesus, please forgive me. If I offend you, forgive me. If I offend you, forgive me. After we go come see another thing again. Now we see knife for the month. We can't see police people. Police people don't come. They can't start to the sprinkle something like fluid for him body, because according waiting, she explained to the UK police people, say, na acid. And if you explain to them, say acid, then go quick rescue you. They can't carry coke, give my sister. Make it take wash face. My sister said constantly set the camera before she go take coke, take wash in face. So my people, we won't talk about that acid now. I beg my people. Now somebody pour Korra acid for face. Put them under the comment section, yes or no. But as for me, nobody pour Korra acid for face. Because if somebody pour Korra acid for face, we for no see full Korra again now. Now half of Korra now we for see. Now Korra mats now we go tell no say na Korra the talk. In face for don't turn upside down. all those in back where still fresh. When you open for Ogbalegbe, make them they put fleet put. All those back no go fresh again. Because the way the demonstration take go, where police they fleet on him back, they fleet the front, carry coke, wash him face. That acid really pour Korra from up to down. And if to say na acid, Korra body to is supposed to don't change. It's supposed to don't chop like say then carry nylon put for fire on top a charcoal where fire day the way they met now so Korra body for met, but Korra body no met. When I watch the video, now I tell no say now viral video na in Korra and in sister Nessie na in the need. But on I know what make me happy pass. I happy because of say Korra no measure say na Onyibo people. And Korra no still measure say na our Nigeria people. It all say na all the Senegal, all the Senegal people there. Na their point the acid. Oselo boy we say for that one. Because if to say na our people, you forget asibi. And if to say na these white people say, you forget asibi. And thank God say, he measure say na all those Senegal them. He said because the woman, he tall, he black. With that demonstration, when me see, Korra no see the eye of person we point something. She no see him with that demonstration. If you not believe me, go Korra page, may you go check her. With that demonstration, we play for that scenario there. Korra no see anybody face. How Nessie, Umeh insist no say the woman tall, the woman be like this, the woman be like that. Constantly know the country where the woman come from. If to say no be this thing that they take and they need viral video where you go the way Korra take divorce where the video go. Everybody start to the fight. Everybody they knock heads together. Bass they go everywhere. Money they come left and right for Korra. Korra they fly, they fling leg because of the money, the social media money they come. Now something like that now in Korra need again. But Korra, you don't say this thing where you they do. You're not supposed to do with Onyibo people. If you want to do something like this again, and you want to make the video go viral, go Nigeria or you go Ghana. Don't try this thing with white people. Don't joke with these people then. If you check their law book, you'll see say small thing where no rich, make you go prison for 6 months, you'll go. The one where no rich for you to go 2 years, you'll go. Because all this kind of thing, at the end of the day, if police people come say you play with them, say now you do all this prank, forget if you dare America, then go return you back to UK. You can't play with their intelligence. If you go back to America, if your sister, they involved with this thing, if your sister go Nigeria, the government of UK go send to your sister, they will carry and come by, you go in prison. So we need to be careful of things where they do. You don't involve police for this one. You want make the thing look real. Now I make you involve police. Then pour acid for your body. If them pour acid for your body, see the way your body go take be. You see? You see? This one, my junior brother, this brother video, now another day, because I need to talk about the story of this brother. Now another day, if they really poured acid for your body, now the way this brother body be, now so your body go be. So more stop to the lie. More we stop. Be contented, Korra. You have enough of money. The way the dictator say you get, and the way you said the dictator say you get, it's okay. Be contented with that. Why are you looking for viral video? You are trying your best now. Now dance with you, you dance, man, you tear body. See Gemina, your friend now. Gemina is doing well now. The girl never changed in step one day. But you are changing your step. Today, if court no make you cry, police go make you cry. Somebody go knock your car for road. And somebody go do this, somebody go do this. What's happen, Korra? What's happen? And your friend Gemina, now dance the thing now. Now seeing the same dance, they make a lot of money. Dance, Korra. Dance now, we tell know you. Leave this, all this viral video where saga don't sweet you. So leave them alone. May you rest. And Nasi, be careful. You know, come for Nigeria. Won't come play with the intelligence with the head of Ogbalegbe them for Europe side here. No, don't joke with these people then. Don't joke with them. They no be our own side though. Yeah, now Obodo Yibo. So you have to be careful. Olo do them.